All right, so I just got this Tineco vacuum right here. So we're gonna be mopping the floor with it. So I got it right here. I just got it out of the box, so I'm not really sure how charged up it is. But I thought it'd be cool to go and actually show a full video of what it looks like to set it up. So let me come over here and I'm gonna show you filling it up real quick because, you know, I don't know, just for fun. So there is a max fill line right here. It says max. We're gonna put water in it. You're not supposed to put like hot water in here. It says don't put water in here above 140 degrees. And then there we go. Put a little bit more. And then I got 2 bottles with mine. Actually, let me pour some out. But yeah, I got 2 bottles with mine, 2 of these. And so I thought that, like, man, how long are these gonna last? These things are gonna probably last a really long time, depending on how much I use it and stuff. But I did see that you're only supposed to put a bottle cap of it. So this is the bottle cap. Let me pop this open real quick. So yeah, hopefully this thing will last me a pretty long time, honestly. These 2 bottles of solution. So there we go. And then let's fill up a little bottle cap of it. And boom. So now I got a little cap. Now I'm just going to put it over the sink just in case. Don't want to spill it. Alright, so that was super easy. Didn't spill at all. And then put it right back on. And then, man, that smells really good. That smells good. Alright, so let's just leave this right here. And let's take our little thing right here. It also says right there about like not filling it up and stuff. Let me back the camera out, sorry. And then let's come right over here. And then let's just start testing this thing out. So let me go. Let me put this in here. Like I said, I'm not sure how long this is actually going to run for. We just bought this house, so I don't know how dirty the floors are, to be honest with you. We're about to go through and you know, renovate it, do some stuff. So let's honestly see how dirty the floors are that we moved into. See if we can get some dirt off of them. So what? I don't know why I have so much trouble with this thing. It's so simple, but yet I seem to have so much trouble putting this thing in. All right, here. All right, there we go. So you gotta line it up. That's what I gotta do. All right, so line up, and that just falls right in place, just like that. So then you got your handle right here, and let's just bump it down, and then let's turn it on. Well, get the water going. Yeah, is the water coming out yet? Oh, yep, there it goes. There we go, that water's coming out. All right. Now let's just see if we can get anything off the floor real fast. These floors have already been vacuumed too, so I will honestly be really interested to see what happens. Here, I'm gonna come over here, get right here, right in front of the front door. See what happens up here. I get a little bit more right there. And then boom. You can definitely see the water lines coming out, like where I've already been. So you can definitely feel like some hard suction on here. Like it's almost like pulling itself forward as I'm going. So let me go. Get back here. Like I said, my floors, they're supposed to be clean. My robot vacuum came through here earlier, so let's see how good of a job it does. You know, let's get in here, and then I'm gonna work my way back over to you. And let's go get in the kitchen. All right, so coming up. Like I said, let's go in the kitchen real quick. Yeah, let's go. Let's poke it in here. Yeah, I'm gonna come set it back over here. Let's just go. Let's go through here. This kitchen's been vacuumed out too. Everything's been vacuumed out real solid. So I'm just really interested to see. I'm really interested to see what this thing actually looks like whenever we're done. You can definitely slightly smell it a little bit. It smells good. It's not like overwhelming though. Now, I've seen some, I'll be doing some more testing with this thing for sure, but I've seen some people do some whack stuff with this thing, you know, like I saw somebody, what did they do? They like threw mustard and stuff on the ground and they went and sucked it up. It's kind of nuts. Oh, there we go. We got some stains right there. Man, that came up really good, actually. There was just some stains right down there, and I rolled it over it. Actually, a really good job getting that up. There we go. Getting this stuff up. There we go. It's doing a really good job right there. Sometimes you got to back over stuff a little bit more with it, it looks like. Like there's some stuff right here I'm just having to get over a little bit more. But honestly, it's getting it. There we go, just back up over this stuff. Alright, let's give it a little bit more of a go. I'll come run back over this one more time. And then we'll check this tank right here. So like I said, it's definitely doing a really good job right here. You can see it picking stuff up, sucking stuff up, getting lines up off the ground. Like I said, you do like, if you want to get stuff off, so far the things that I'm getting off the ground, I'm having to roll over it a couple times, which is no big deal, honestly. Get that, there we go. The tank is almost empty. We're just about done. Alright, and look at this towel. Alright, now let's check and see what it looks like. Alright, let's shut it off. Alright, I'm still trying to experiment with it. There we go. Alright, let's see what our water looks like. So I think I can just pick it up right out. Oh my gosh, that is insane. Look at that. That is nuts to see how dirty it is. Here, let me bring in the light a little bit more. Look at that. Now, I'm telling you, my count, like, everything's clean in here. So, like, we vacuumed today, and look at how gross that is right there. That is insane. So, yeah, this thing definitely does a really, really, really good job. I'm gonna give you my wife's reaction real quick. One sec. All right, so I'm gonna show her how much dirt is inside of it now. I know. It was only the kitchen that I got too. Isn't that insane?
That's crazy.
I know. You can literally see little things floating around inside of it. Yeah, definitely highly recommend it. It does a super good job.